Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. Today, let's make another Goan snack, that is Goan beef patties. And to make this beef patties, we will require beef mince, coriander, butter, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt as taste, and homemade cinnamon cloves powder. Just sun dry both spices in equal measurements and grind it into fine powder. Some lemon juice, milk, chopped chilies, fresh chopped ginger garlic, and generous amount of onion. I have used 3 large onions. And I'm going to add in half of the onion quantity and keep the remaining to be used later. Mix everything well. Make sure onions are nicely distributed in the beef mince. If you like spicy, you may also add in some chopped chilies at this stage. Keep it aside to marinate for 15 minutes. In a saucepan, add in butter, chopped ginger garlic, and saute it until butter has melted. Add the chopped chilies, mix it. Time to add in remaining onion. Saute it until onion has become translucent. Let's add in the milk. I'm just adding in half of the quantity of the milk and keeping the remaining to be used later. Once you notice bubbles around the milk, add in little coriander and mix well. Let's add the remaining milk. Add the marinated mince and cook it for 20 minutes. And using the remaining to make beef pasta, which will be my next recipe, so stay tuned to my channel. To do the patty, I am taking beef mince or large egg, salt to taste, some sesame seeds, some cheese, which is optional, and puff pastry sheets. I have used 2 puff pastry sheets. Do check out my other recipes, the links are in the description box. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Thanks. Now let's place the patty in a tray. I have used butter paper underneath. Add in some sesame seeds and bake it. Bake it in a preheated oven at 200 for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the oven. My patties are done. It's got an awesome color, very crunchy, Enjoy until my next video. Amor amor.